Hey there, you're a healer, you're passionate, you come from a heart-centered place, and maybe you are caught in a trap. The trap is the 9 to 5 job. Where do you find time to actually do your healing work while you're at work all day? Just dreaming about, if I could do my healing work, I would be in heaven. I hear you, because I do that every single day. You want to thrive and do the work that you love and watch your clients get the results that they're looking for. In this step-by-step comprehensive program, we will go over creating your ideal niche, establishing and maintaining relationships with your clients so that they're coming to you for the long term, teaching you how to create pricing structures that actually work, attract your clients to you. Just imagine getting up every single day, going to work, but doing the work that you love to do, the work that just ignites the spark, the work that is in alignment with your mission on this earth plane. That's why Karen and I created a course called Out of the Gate, which is specifically designed to support the holistic healer. Now, as holistic therapists, we love what we're doing. We love to actually do the hands-on or meet face-to-face with our clients. But when it comes to the business side of things, not all of us have an interest in it. We will teach you proven strategies in this comprehensive program. Simple techniques in this 7-week course for you to create your business so that you can thrive, not just survive. The fear is real, but the fear can paralyze us. And with fear, our mind isn't available to create the vision. Right now, we're offering 50% off. It is a limited time offer. So I hope that you are going to be one of the first ones to jump in at 50% off, because you probably won't see that again. Down in the details, okay? So that you can get the 50% off, and then we'll see you in class. I can't wait. Blessings to you and to success for every holistic therapist out there that is doing the work that they came here to do. All right, let's do this.